So the standard form of equations looks like this. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where the center is going to be at hk and the radius is going to be r. So notice that in the equation we have a minus sign as part of our equation. So when we pull our numbers out for the center, it will essentially be whatever is opposite of the sign that's on your equation. So looking at example 1 here, the center is going to be at 3, 2. So in the equation I have -3 and -2. So my center is going to just essentially be the opposite sign. So it'll be +3 and +2. And then my radius is going to be the square root of this number, which is square root of 25 is 5. So to graph that, I put my center at 1, 2, 3. Put my center there at 3, 2. And then if my radius is 5, I need to go 5 in every direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right. It's going to come just barely off the graph a little bit. And that's how we graph that. So looking at example 2, my center is going to be essentially the opposite signs here. So if I have +4, then my x-coordinate for my center is going to be -4, and the y-coordinate will be 1, because that's a -1 there, so it'll be +1. And then my radius is going to be the square root of whatever number I have on the right side, so square root of 9, which is 3. So I'm going to plot my center at -4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I got to go 3 in every direction, so 1, 2, 3 up, 3 down, 3 right, and 3 left. And then connect them. That circle is graphed. Okay, so last example. My center is going to be, again, the opposite signs of what's here. So if I have +2 and +3, then my center will actually be at -2 and -3. Then my radius will be the square root of the number on the right. Square root is 16, which is 4. So then graphing that, -2, -3, and then I gotta go 4 out in every direction because that's, my radius is 4. So that is how you identify the center and radius and graph from an equation in the standard form.